Let's compare the Workmaster and Powerstar series. Let's start with the Workmaster. Loader is standard with skid steer hookup, 95, 105, or 120 horsepower. Standard with 2 remotes, but can have 3. Includes extendable lower links. Flat roof with halogen lights. Let's look inside. Buddy seat and air ride operator seat are standard. To remote standard, can have 3. 12x12 transmission. Clutchless power shuttle. Joystick loader, tilt steering, and right-hand door all standard. Let's get to work in the new Holland Workmaster. Let's check out the Powerstar series next. Heavy-duty loader and skid steer or Euro hookup are standard. 75, 90, 100, 110, and 120 horsepower. Radial tires, 2 remotes, and extendable lower links are standard. Arch roof with halogen lights. Time to look inside. Buddy seat and air ride operator seat are standard. 12x12 transmission and clutchless power shuttle. To rear remotes, joystick loader, tilt steering, high visibility cab, and right-hand door. Let's get to work in our new Holland Powerstar. Check out our next video on the new Holland T5 Electro Command. Visit our website or give us a call.